Welcome to Train Your Brain, kids. Get up. It's time for school. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Get dressed quickly. Comb your hair. Finish your breakfast. Keep your room tidy. Pack your school bag. Don't forget your lunchbox. Wear your shoes properly. Check if you have all your books. Hurry up, or you'll be late. Eat your vegetables. Don't spill your milk. Sit properly on the chair. Put your toys away. Listen to what I'm saying. Be polite to others. Please share your toys. Do not fight with your siblings. Say thank you when someone helps you. Don't interrupt when I'm talking. Help me set the table. Eat slowly. Don't rush. Don't play with your food. Chew your food properly. Please clear the table. Do your homework. Turn off the TV now. Did you do your homework? Go outside and play. Come inside. It's time for dinner. Wash your hands before eating. Put on your pajamas. Don't leave your clothes on the floor. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry. Say good night to everyone. Make your bed. Put away your books. Don't forget to pray. Help me fold the clothes. Give me a glass of water. Please open the door. Close the door behind you. Turn off the lights. Help me with the dishes. Don't forget to feed the pet. Stop crying. Stop jumping in my room. Don't insist. Get dressed quickly. Finish your homework. Put on your shoes. Tie your shoelace. Don't run inside. Time for bed. Eat your vegetables. Clean your room. Share your lunch with me. Listen to me. Don't touch that. Iron your shirt. Put on your shirt. Button up. Sit down, please. Say thank you. Time to eat. Don't spill your drink. Don't touch the stove. Hold this, please. Don't climb that tree. Look at me. Stop teasing. Dry your hair. Give me a hug. Time for a bath. Let's go outside. Prepare for school. Sit down properly. Help me, my dear. Don't throw your things. Give me your WhatsApp number. Give me a kiss. Don't argue. Use your napkin. Hold your cup carefully. Look at this. Don't be late. Put on your socks. Time for school. Wear your hat. Listen carefully. Be kind to everyone. Keep smiling. Like and subscribe to our channel.